श्री कृष्ण गोविंद माधवाय श्री राधा रमण मधुसूदनाय श्री कृष्ण गोविंद माधवाय श्री राधा रमण मधुसूदनाय। दासो प्रेम परसो न लेटे अपगौड़ हेड सेड प्योरलेसनेस purification of one's existence, cultivation of spiritual knowledge, charity, self-control, performance of sacrifice, study of the Vedas, austerity, simplicity, non-violence, truthfulness, freedom from anger, renunciation, tranquility, aversion to fault finding, aversion to fault finding, compassion for all living entities, freedom from covetousness, gentleness, modesty, steady determination, vigor, forgiveness, fortitude, cleanliness, and freedom from envy, and from the passion for our honor. These transcendental qualities, ocean of Bharata, belong to godly men endowed with divine nature. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, harshness, and ignorance, these qualities belong to those of demoniac nature, ocean of Pritha. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudana श्री कृष्ण गोविंद माधवाय श्री राधा रमण मधुसूदनाय the transcendental qualities are conducive to liberation, whereas the demoniac qualities make for bondage. Do not worry, O son of Pandu, for you are born with the divine qualities. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. O son of Pritha, in this world there are no two kinds of created beings. One is called the divine, and the other demoniac. I have already explained to you at length the divine qualities. Now hear from me of the demoniac. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Those who are demoniac do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Neither cleanliness nor proper behavior nor truth is found in them. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. They say that this world is unreal, with no foundation, no God in control. They say it is produced of sex desire and has no cause other than lust. Shri Krishna Govinda माधवाय श्रीराधारमण मधुसूदनाय Following such a conclusion, the demoniac who are lost to themselves and who have no intelligence engage in beneficial whatever works meant to destroy the world. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Taking shelter of insatiable lust and behavior, taking a shelter of insatiable lust and absorbed in the conceit of pride and false prestige. The demoniac, the illusion are always sworn to unclean work, attracted by the impermanent. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. They believe that to gratify the sense is the prime necessity of human civilization. Thus, until the end of life, their anxieties immeasurable, bound by a network of hundreds of thousands of desires, and absorbed in lust and anger, they secured money by illegal means for sense gratification. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda